Hi friends, hope you are doing well with your studies and are following our previous lectures well. মোৰ সদায় এইটোৱেই টাৰ্গেট থাকে যে তোমালোকক কেনেকৈ কনভিনিয়েন্টলি আৰু কমফৰ্টেবলি পঢ়াটো তোমালোকক কেনেকৈ ফান বনাব পাৰোঁ, how to make studies and education fun. That is my primary objective. I primarily teach students for competitive examinations such as UPSC civil services and APSC civil services etc. সেইবিলাক actually মোৰ core area. মই পঢ়াওঁ political science and international relations যিটো optional subject থাকে competitive examinations সেইটো মই পঢ়াওঁ actually student bilako. So mostly most of my students are graduate level students and postgraduate level students. Etia jehetuke ami seva board or class 10 or social science or a lecture series start korisu. Tate we have already seen several videos, several tips and several tricks on how to make study of social science interesting, how to score good marks in history without scoring, without rattabazi or without mugging up. Plus we have also seen chapters on partition of Bengal and Swadeshi movement, which is part of the syllabus of class 10 SEBA board. So if you guys haven't watched those videos, you should quickly go and watch those videos. You can find the links of all those videos in the description box. Right, so in this particular video, what we will do is we will do Swadeshi and boycott movement from the exam point of view. So if you have watched my previous videos, you will have an idea that in the first video, I do a particular topic as a story. We see the context of the particular topic. And in the later videos, in the subsequent videos on that particular topic, we do them exam specifically, we do them for the purpose of the examinations. So we have already done a introductory video on Swadeshi and boycott movement. If you haven't watched that video, you can go and check it out from the description box. So in this video, we are doing the beginning the exam centric part of the Swadeshi and boycott movement. Before we start this particular lecture, I want to give you some information regarding an upcoming course which we are designing for class 10 SEBA board students. This is going to be a 3 months crash course, live online, in which we will cover the entire syllabus of history part in 2 or 2.5 months. The maximum we have written here is 3 months, but it is not going to be 3 months. It is going to be maximum 2 to 2.5 months, in which we will cover the entire syllabus of history class 10. This will be a live face-to-face whiteboard class in which everyone will get an individual attention, and it will be an interactive two-way communication. It is not just that I keep speaking and you do not get to ask your doubts or questions. It will include entire syllabus with exercises and revision plus regular tests. I will also be providing personal tips and strategies, which I already have been providing in my previous videos. And I have already been providing free tips and advices for your career and motivation, etc., which will continue in this particular online series, live series. So gotike অসমীয়াত মই কথাখিনি কৈ দিছো, এটা অনলাইন লাইভ ক্লাছ আমি ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰিব গৈ আছো। জুমত হ'ব বা হেতু জুম এপত হ'ব বা হেতু গুগল মিটত হ'ব, যিকোনো এটা মিডিয়ামত আমি হেতু ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰিবলৈ গৈ আছো। এটা 2.5 to 3 months এটা ক্ৰ্যাশ কোৰ্স হ'ব, য'ত আমি 2.5 to 3 monthsৰ ভিতৰত আমি এন্টায়াৰ হিষ্ট্ৰী পোৰ্শন অফ ক্লাছ 10 সেবা বোৰ্ড কমপ্লিট কৰিম। এটা এটা লাইভ ফেস টু ফেস হোয়াইট বোর্ড ক্লাস হ'ব, য'ত মই হোয়াইট বোর্ডত বুজাম আৰু তোমালোকে এটেন্ড কৰিবা। প্লাস মানে এতিয়া ধৰা যে আই এম নট সেইং that you should go and take this course necessarily, because I will continue to make videos like I have been doing. I will continue to make videos for every chapter and every topic for free, which I will be putting up in YouTube for sure. But that কথাটো হয় যে কি you at many times you do have doubts, you do have questions যিবিলাক তোমালোকক সুধিবলৈ অসুবিধা হয় ইউটিউবত, বা এটা টাইম লেগ আহে যে ডিলে হৈ যায় ভিডিঅ'বিলাক আমাৰ ইয়াত শ্বুট কৰোঁতে, ৰেকৰ্ড কৰোঁতে, আপলোড কৰোঁতে, এডিট কৰোঁতে আমাৰ অলপ ডিলে হৈ যায় ইয়াত ভিডিঅ'বিলাক, ঠিক আছে, বিকজ সেভাৰেল ক্লাছ চলি থাকে, বহুত বেলেগ ষ্টুডেণ্টকো পঢ়াই থাকিব লগা হয়। চ' সেভাৰেল ক্লাছ চলি থাকে গোটেই দিনটোত, সেইকাৰণে আমাৰ আপলোড কৰিবলৈ কেতিয়াবা ডিলে হৈ যায়। যদি তেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ প্ৰব্লেম যদি তোমালোকে কোনোবাই ভাবিছা, if some of you feel that you are facing some of those issues, that তোমালোকে ডাউটবিলাক সুধিব পৰা নাই, ক্লিয়াৰ কৰিব পৰা নাই, তোমালোকৰ কুৱেশ্যন আনসাৰ ৰিলেটেড কিবা ডাউট আছে, তোমালোকক বিভিন্ন কিবা কেৰিয়াৰ ৰিলেটেড তোমালোকৰ কিবা ডাউট আছে, কুৱেশ্যন আছে যিবিলাক তোমালোকে সুধিব পৰা নাই, then this course is for you. You can come and join this course. This is at a very nominal fees of 400 rupees per month, which means that the entire syllabus of history for class 10 will get covered in something around 1000 to 1200 rupees. So if you have some issues like this, then হলে তোমালোকে কোর্সটো জয়েন কৰিব পাৰা। আদাৰৱাইজ আমি যেনেকৈ ভিডিঅ'বিলাক বনাই আছো তেনেকৈ ভিডিঅ' আহি থাকিব প্ৰত্যেকটো চেপ্টাৰৰ কাৰণে, তোমালোকে ভিডিঅ'বিলাক ফলো কৰিব পাৰা, আৰু you can learn if it is helpful to you, then you can learn from my videos. So if you have any doubts, any queries, if you want to join this course, online course which we are starting in a week or two, then you can write to us at exambandhu@gmail.com, exambandhu@gmail.com। এটো স্ক্ৰিনত ওলাই আছে, exambandhu@gmail.com। তোমালোকে মোৰ লগত কন্টাক্ট কৰিব পাৰা ডাইৰেক্ট। তাত তোমালোকে তাৰপিছত কণ্টেক্ট কৰাৰ পিছত ইফ ইউ ফিল ইউ কেন টেক এ ফ্ৰী লাইভ ছেশ্যন এটা মোৰ লগত ফ্ৰী লাইভ ছেশ্যন তোমালোকে ল'ব পাৰা আমি ফেচ টু ফেচ কথা পাতিব পাৰোঁ ইফ ইউ উইচ যদি তোমালোকৰ ইণ্টাৰেষ্টেড হয় তোমালোকে তেনেহ'লে মোক কণ্টেক্ট কৰিব পাৰা exambandhu@gmail.com আমি এটা ফ্ৰী কথা পাতিম তোমালোকৰ লগত তোমালোকৰ কথা জানিবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰিম তোমালোকে মোৰ কথা জানিব পাৰিবা ঠিক আছে so this is it for this information which I wanted to provide now let us quickly begin the topic which is Swadeshi and boycott movement so what we had told in our previous videos আমি একদম history যেটো first video বনাইছিলো হেতু বনাওতে আমি কি কৈছিলো যে while we are preparing any topic or any chapter for history what we will do is we will divide it into 6 points or 6 steps so first start আমি কি কৈছিলো time element for exam point of view when you are preparing any particular topic in history you will first need to cover keep in mind the time element so what is the time element for Swadeshi movement for the Swadeshi movement মই আগৰ video to যেটো the video which I had made the story of Swadeshi movement where I had mentioned talked about the story of Swadeshi movement to you I had told you that Swadeshi movement had various forms and various formats okay Swadeshi movement was going on from a long period of time and it is still continuing even today we are having a particular example of Swadeshi movement as you ami eta Swadeshi movement for example dekhibole pao when the Indian government is saying that we should boycott Chinese apps we should boycott Chinese products and Chinese goods this is also a kind of Swadeshi it is also an attempt to promote our desi thing our local thing which the Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji is also saying that local pay vocal we need to be vocal on local so this is also a form of Swadeshi movement but for the exam point of view for this particular chapter what we are studying the Swadeshi movement that we are concerned about is the Swadeshi movement which had happened between 1905 and 1911 okay so why 1905 1905 to 1911 kyo because we had seen in the previous chapter in the previous video that one of the primary causes of Swadeshi movement was partition of Bengal and one of the primary consequences of partition of Bengal was the Swadeshi movement so when was partition of Bengal when did the partition of Bengal happen the partition of Bengal happened in the year 1905 right 1905 ot partition of Bengal hoisile and because partition of Bengal was the most essential cause for the Swadeshi movement therefore the Swadeshi movement can be said to have begun from 1905 what did we see in the lectures in partition of Bengal is that when was the partition of Bengal implemented partition of Bengal was to be implemented on 16 October 1905 right and when was the decision made public the decision was made public on 19 July 1905 19 July 1905 please excuse my handwriting okay let me erase this one let me erase this one and write it properly July ঠিক আছে so আমি কি দেখিলো যে 16 October 1905 ত partition of Bengal হোৱা কথা আছিল 19 July 1905 ত তাৰ decision দি দিছিলে so why 1905 is an important year for Swadeshi movement because the most important cause of Swadeshi movement that is the partition of Bengal took place in the year 1905 simple as that very easy to remember okay so broadly what is it the broadly at the year level বছৰৰ levelত যদি চাও আমি broadly এটো কি হৈছে 1905 ঠিক আছে আৰু there were some events which took place before 1905 also that are also important but from exam point of view those are not very important hebilako ami sailom that also we will cover but the most important period most important phase for Swadeshi movement was 1905 to 1911 exam point of view this chapter will have many factual points both factual and points থাকিব date hok ba event bilak ami jetia sam ba actors bilak ami jetia sam ba tools used by the actors ami jetia sam bahut factual bostu kisman থাকিব ei chapter there will be lots of factual elements but you don't need to worry kono bhoy khaboloya kono tension loboloya kono kotha nai I will teach you how to cover all of them moi dhuniya ke shikai dim kenake cover koribo lagibo kenake complete koribo lagibo so for this time for the time being do take out your notebook and do write down these following dates which you are seeing in the screen you don't need to memorize anything at this point of time you do not need to do anything now just take out your notebook and pen and do note down all the dates that I have mentioned in this slide so more dates will come when we do the event in detail the Swadeshi movement the event in detail and when we do the consequences of the Swadeshi movement in detail there will be more dates which will come which we will do at that particular time whenever it comes up. But for this point of time, for this time, do write down these dates. এই ডেটবিলাক তোমালোকে নিজৰ নোটবুকত লিখি লোৱা। একো এতিয়া তাৰ বিষয়ে মনত ৰাখিব নালাগে, একো তাৰ বিষয়ে জানিব নালাগে। মই সময়ত যেতিয়া আহিব তেতিয়া মই ধুনীয়াকৈ I will tell all the important things regarding this particular dates and how they are relevant for examination. I will tell. Okay, so write them down now. 6 July 1904, 14 July 1905, 20 July 1905, 7 August 1905, 23 September 1905, and 16 October 1905. So just write these dates down, and in the subsequent videos when we keep doing the other important aspects of Swadeshi and boycott movement, I will from time to time tell you how to memorize, how to keep in mind all these dates, and how to score marks in the examination. Okay, so for this video this is enough. Ami time element to mutamuti salu. The broad time element which we saw was 1905 to 1911. So these were the initial dates. The initial phase of the Swadeshi movement are included in this particular slide that you are seeing now. Write those dates in your notebook. We will talk about them at a later time. In the subsequent videos, when we see the main actors of the Swadeshi movement and the main tools of the Swadeshi movement and the event and the consequences and etc., then it will become more clear, and it will become more and more easy to grasp things and keep them in mind for examination, right? So thank you so much for watching this video, and we will meet in the next video when we will see the main actors and the tools of Swadeshi movement.